Are you a first-time PC builder experiencing performance issues due to your system overheating? If so, there is a solution out there for you. Blast off to better performance with RocketCool. The system focuses on cooling your CPU and GPU, the computer's most vital components. It even allows you to control the fan speed with 2 potentiometers. The CPU fan forces cool air from the front of your case over your CPU cooler. The CPU fan bracket is very adjustable and can be mounted at multiple different lengths. It also hinges to be installed easily in top of the case. In order to install it, you must pick the height of the bracket. Once the height is measured, simply screw the arm into the bracket. Once you've completed one side, simply repeat this process on the other side. Next, you will want to install the 120mm mount to the top of the fan arms. The mount will be screwed into the top mounting holes of each arm. This piece will eventually be screwed in the top of the case in an existing 120mm fan mount. Next is installing the 80mm fan. Align each of the 4 handholds with the 4 mounting holes and screw firmly into place. Make sure that the fan is pulling air in to the bracket. As stated before, this bracket can be hinged and is fully adjustable so that it can be mounted around CD drives or other components that may be in its way in the top of the case. The 2 screw holes here are where you will mount it to the top of your case, in an existing 120mm fan mount. The GPU fan bracket mounts in 4 PCIe slots below your GPU and brings cool air from the front of the case towards your GPU intake fans. The bracket also holds the 2 potentiometers that control fan speed. You will first install the potentiometer with the fan header labeled Fan 1 in the top slot of the bracket. Simply insert the potentiometer and screw it in place. Repeat this process with the potentiometer that has a fan header labeled 2 and install it in the bottom hole of the bracket. Finally, install the 80mm fan by aligning the 4 fan holes with the 4 mounting holes on the bracket, screwing them firmly in place. Finally, plug each fan into Molex power source and the GPU fan into Fan 1 header and the CPU fan into Fan 2 header. When installed properly, the completed system should look like this.